Welcome back, everyone. Here we are going to attempt to install our heater today. I don't have all the parts. I ordered some parts on Amazon. They're still I think it should be coming sometime this week. So, but at least my plan today is to have it all installed and just wait for a couple parts. There's your base that used to be there. I already took it out. So I just gotta drill a couple holes, set out the base plate, drill a hole for the new vent on the other side, which is already painted and just drying right now. I gotta cut this off right here, and then just gotta cut off this much right here for the diesel tank will be on that side, heater will be on that side. I gotta make a hole here for the vent to come out, and yeah, that should be it. So let me get going and let me show you guys the process. Should be simple. Alright, so we're back. Off camera, I had to recut this section right here. You should seriously measure twice, cut once. But I just kind of like looked at it like, good enough. But no, I had to recut it, make it shorter, make it closer to this section right here. But anyway, so it's all set. You can see, obviously it goes the other way. I gotta make some little blocks right here, so the tank will sit upright like that. So make a piece of wood 2x4 from here, 3 of them from here to here, so I can secure the tank, because I don't want the tank leaning like this. I want it straight like that. And then on this side, as you can see, kind of touches right there. It doesn't matter because this is the bottom. This is about 1/4, and that will give me the height that I need to clear this right here, to clear that much. So now all I gotta do is remove this again, set the plate, drill these 2 holes here. I'm gonna drill 4 holes here, install the new vent for my fresh air. And once it's all done, I will go back and re-secure everything. And then do the wiring. Now that the base is in the right place, I'm going to put the kit comes with self-tapping screws already, so I'm going to drill those on, and then I'm going to drill these holes because I don't want anything moving. Drill every single little hole, have everything installed. Then I'm going to retake everything out, vacuum everything of course, and then I want to put some of this tape down. It's aluminum tape, because I do have this foam insulation and I don't want to remove this foam insulation, so I just want to put tape over it. Anyway, the base is there, but just in case. Wow, that took a lot to drill through. Let me show you guys. I don't want to touch that one because that one is hot, but this is how thick, right there, still hot. You can see how thick the M105 metal is. No wonder this thing weighs almost 5,000 pounds. The entire tub of this trailer is made this thick. Anyway, alright, so I got the holes made already. I'm gonna vacuum this up, test everything, make sure everything fits properly, and yeah, remove everything, vacuum, and at least the unit's already installed. There you have it. The hole is made. Took me a little longer because when I put the drill bit here, this metal is very thick, and when I put the drill bit here, it went off a little bit and the hole wasn't perfectly center, so I had to grind off a little bit right here because the heater would not go in properly. So anyway, and then I put the this Flex Fix. This is for duct systems for heating. Just put it down. There's no reason for it, but I just wanted it. Kind of keeps a little bit of heat here. My understanding is this machine generates a little bit of heat, so I just wanted to just another layer of protection. Let me show you guys. I'm missing, so should be a little hole here somewhere. Nah, I'll find it later. Anyway, so that's how it goes. That. I had to put the phone down because I couldn't find the holes with the tape down. Anyway. That's how it looks like. And then I put the heater on right now. That's the base of the heater. There you go. It's in. Yeah, that's how it sits. Now I just gotta go underneath the trailer and secure the whole thing in. And then yeah, that's how it should look like. Alright, so the bottom is secure and I am working on installing the second vent. I did the same thing I did last time, 4 bottle caps. I'm gonna put a little marking on it. I'm gonna kind of place it where I want it here, make sure it matches the other side, and then just drill 4 holes, and that should be it. I put a little bit black first, didn't work out, and I dried too quick. The marker that I had dry out, so this is good enough. Make sure I got plenty right in the middle. Oh, upside down. I like it right there. That should be fine. Right there. That's pretty close. And now that's the metal. That's the metal. Because of the black in the background. So drill 4 holes and this one should be fine. Damn. Hole 1. All right, everyone. So I'm done upstairs installing the vent. I'm back here underneath the trailer again. So I just installed my air intake and my exhaust here. The problem I'm having is oh yeah, by the way, let me show you guys. I made a hole here by mistake. I don't know how this happened. But anyway, so now you have 3 holes. I'm gonna patch this one up. But anyway, let's go back to this. So this is my exhaust right here. And you can see it's pretty close to my air vent. And it's pretty close to my air intake as well. I probably going to cut this. Actually, no. I'm gonna somehow reroute this hose all the way. Sorry, I'm just underneath the trailer. It's kind of difficult. But I'm gonna reroute this hose, this metal hose, all the way back there to the opposite side of the trailer, just so I can have the exhaust far away from my air intake as possible. I think that'll probably be the best scenario here. So I'm not gonna be able to do much more now. I'm gonna go online and try to order at least another piece of pipe that will bring this exhaust another, I don't know, 3 feet to the other side of the trailer. That's pretty much it for the night. I want to enjoy the rest of the night with my family. I get to the rest of it sometime next week. And
we'll see you next time. Thanks so much.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video. Later.
Bye.